Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about cable trays in PDMS. So in previous video we talked about what are the basic settings what we can do for cable trays. Now we have created a pipe, we have created a branch. We can start with creating a cable tray. Okay, so what I am doing is I am just deleting the branch which we were created, and after pipe I will just start with branch again. Okay, so default it will give you a name and then specification. You can say okay, and it gives you the branch specification or explicit position. Okay, so we will just zoom in here. I want to have a cable tray somewhere here, so I'm just trying to, you can find the location by using the position toolbar, or you can just have some trials for a head. So I want to move in north, let's say by 8000, not 800. You can say apply, and you can see my cursor is moving towards that, and up direction is, let's say, 2500. That will intersect with my object, and I will just a little bit above, so 2550. Yeah, so for now we will keep it as it is, then we can have the perfect at the top. So you can change right now also, say 25, apply. Yeah, so that is perfectly on the top. Okay, so if you want to start from, let's say, from some part behind, you can move it to the west, let's say by 250 left, and I can start from just little behind. Okay, yeah, after the position of head, what you can do is you can select the width which you want. These are the standard widths which are available for a cable tray. Let's say I'm starting with 150, and then direction is east, which is the starting direction, so it is going towards the east direction. You can change this direction if you want. Right now I'm not changing anything, and connections will be open. This is like a pipe, so we are basically doing the explicit piping. We are not defining any tail. At the end we will just connect the tail to the last part. Okay, so now as my head is defined, tail is at the origin for now, let it be, and then you can start making the components. Okay, so just select a branch, go to create components, and you can start creating a component same as pipes. The only thing, first we need to make sure it is auto connection, so you can go to settings, choose options, select all, and auto connect, dismiss, and you can go to components. Yes, now auto connect option is constantly on, so whatever you create, it will be automatically connected to the previous component. Okay, now let's see what kind of components we have. Okay, so let's see if we have various components like fixed tray, reducer, band, cross, T, razor. Okay, there are limited components compared to piping, but all these components are very useful. We will try to get to each component in coming videos. Okay, so I'm going in forward direction because I'm starting with the first component, and what you can do is select a fixed tray, and you can just go and create a fixed tray. Okay, it will give you two options, that is fixed tray with pre-galvanized finish and variable cable tray pre-galvanized finish. We are going with fixed tray for now, and okay, that will create a fixed length tray. Okay, don't worry about the length for now, this length is fixed, but you can have your own length for a cable tray that we will gonna see later. Okay, so it, as it's a first part, it will ask for the opening. Okay, so if you want tray to be open in the up direction, that means if I zoom in, my cable tray is open from the top direction. Okay, so if you select down, it will be open from the bottom side, but generally cable tray is open from the up direction, so cabling system will come in this top side. So you can just say OK, and then you can keep on creating the various components. So right now we are just going on creating various components. So I am bending it to 90, and then I am attaching a fixed tray again. Okay, then I am bending it again. So now it is bending towards this side, same side. We don't want that, so you will just go to orient, component, exit, change exit. It will go on other side. You can have a fixed tray again, create. Okay, dismiss. Now let's say I want to stop here for now. What you can do is you can just zoom in here. You can select a branch, and you can go to connect branch. You can select a tail option, and you can just go to the last member. So what will happen is, instead of branch ending at 0, it will end your branch at the current last head. We don't want. We'll just go to tail, last member, apply, dismiss. So my branch is now connected to a last member. So basically that will avoid an error of having a branch. Okay, right now this will not look that good because we are not having any, and we are not understanding any details of a cable tray. But to make basic cable tray, this is a good option. In coming videos we will discuss about how we can do bends, razor, what are the difference between bends and razor, and how we can add a reducer into it. Then there are various options of flipping, tease. So that will do a better job for a cable tray. This is only a cable tray creating a branch with a head and tail. That is what we have understood from this video. Okay, so we will meet in coming videos for various detail options of cable tray. Till then, keep following, keep subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and we will meet in next video. Thank you for joining.